Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be making these really cool sensory fidget balls. So all that you will need is a funnel, a balloon, some water and some cornstarch. Now this is already mixed with water, and I just want to show you what it is that we will be filling our balloon with. Okay, so the first thing you want to go ahead and do is to just pop the balloon into the funnel, and then we are going to add some cornstarch powder into the funnel. Okay, so as you can see, the cornstarch powder is in the funnel, and we just want to make sure that all of this gets through into the balloon at the bottom. When you are filling your balloon, you want to make sure that you push all the powder down so that it fills up the balloon properly. Okay, once that's done, you want to make sure there's quite a bit of powder that's packed into the balloon. Please excuse my hands, this is quite messy. For the final steps, you're going to place your funnel back into the balloon, and we are going to slowly add some water in. And as we add the water, we are just going to feel what it feels like in the balloon, making sure you keep on pulling down on the balloon as the water will just flush out. Okay, start squeezing the powder in the balloon so that it can start absorbing the water. Okay, keep feeling as you go along until you get a texture that you desire. Okay, once you're happy with the texture that you've got, you can go ahead and seal the balloon. Okay, and there you have it. You can even make these stress balls or these fidget balloons with rice. You can fill it with sand. You can fill it with flour. As all that they do is they help strengthen the muscles in the palm. It will help also with grip strength when writing, especially for the little ones. And this one that is filled with cornstarch, or what we call Oobleck, it's pretty hard when we apply pressure to it, and so it will hold the shape. But when resting, it will just soften up and take the form of a liquid ball. Okay, I hope you go ahead and try these at home. Thank you for watching. Bye.